Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your T-Mobile account and the line that will host digits. Once done, sign into the Digits app or My T-Mobile. Com with those credentials. Make sure the device you want to add is nearby so you can receive a verification code. This step links the number to that device. You're not just logging in, you're authorizing a new endpoint. Listen for prompts and select Add Device when offered, then expect an SMS or call to verify ownership. Once verified, choose whether to use your existing number or assign a new digits number. You control how calls and texts route. Next, add each device. Tap Add Device, pick the device type, then accept permissions for calls, SMS, and notifications. Configure where messages originate from and which device rings first. For example, route work calls to your tablet during business hours. You'll see options for browser access as well, so enable web sessions and logins to sync history across endpoints. To finish, test by calling and texting your new digits number from another phone. Verify you can send and receive on each device. Make sure message sync and notification behaviors match your expectations, and adjust privacy settings or caller ID preferences accordingly. If something fails, re-verify the problematic device in the Digits app, sign out and back in, or toggle the Digits assignment off and on. That simple refresh resolves most sync or routing errors. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for account checks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.